Season 2, Episode 2, Constantine, Councils, and the Nicene Creed. Constantine was no ordinary emperor. He not only ended persecution, but also sought to unify the empire through faith. But unity came at a price. Christians were divided on who Jesus truly was. Was he God? Was he created? The Arian controversy split the churches apart. In 325 AD, bishops from across the empire gathered in Nicaea. The Council of Nicaea became one of the most defining moments in Christian history. From Africa came Alexander of Alexandria and Athanasius, the great defender of the faith. Their voices thundered against Arianism. Out of the council came the Nicene Creed, a statement of belief that's still recited today. We believe in one God, the Father Almighty, and in one Lord, Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Africa was not on the sidelines. Athanasius of Alexandria from Egypt stood firm. If Christ is not truly God, then salvation is not truly possible. His defense shaped Christian doctrine for centuries.